Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm gonna show you a new feature that I'm adding to my Moonlight game servers, whatever you prefer to say, that is going to help how players communicate to each other, because as we all know we have players all around the world. So this tool that I'm developing and integrating with the games is gonna help to communicate, because it's using artificial intelligence, and it's pretty cool. We are going to see all of this in my screen in the game already working, but in my local environment, but very soon in all of our servers and future games. Alright, so subscribe to the channel if you are new. Sorry for my English, I'm a little bit rusted, but whatever, let's go. Alright, so as we all know, and if you are looking to this beautiful Lourenço, yes, this is a new map I'm working on to work on mobile too, because if I do everything on Windows, alright, it works perfectly. Our client at 120 FPS. Right now it's a little bit less because I'm recording, but I'm always working to mobile mode because most of our players are mobile, and if I can make work on mobile, I can make work everywhere. So this feature is actually pretty simple to understand, but as if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me, link down below, you know that I'm also an app developer and website developer and all kind of developing things, and I'm also I worked with AI. Actually, I have a company of AI. So my goal here, first, I add this comment here that you can ask anything like oi. Alright, so this is interacting with GPT from my own company. I'm training a specific model to answer better yet your questions about the game. Right now it's using a general GPT, so but it's working. It's working just in Moonox right now, but I'm going to put in other servers. But the main thing here is this, like today, if I say post and I'm sending a message to everyone, if I'm from Vietnam, if I'm from Brazil, if anyways, the language that I put here is the language that everybody's going to receive. So if I put hi and another player that is connected, and in the preference, as you know, we can change the language of the client. So if I'm going here in the game and change my the language that I want my game, this is gonna be in the server. I know which language you use. So now my client I'm using in Portuguese. So if someone says hi in the chat, look what is going to happen. Look what happened here. Basically, I simulated another player, but I used the message hi, which means hello, oi in Portuguese. That means welcome, hello. And basically, once you send your message here in your language, the other client that are connected to the server are going to receive in their languages. So this is going to be much easier for everyone to interact, and yeah, it's functional. But before I put in Moonox officially, I'm running more tests because we have a lot of players online, and I like to test everything local and simulate the online environment. But it's working very cool. As you can notice, there is this /n here, but this it's simple enough to fix it. But this is the idea. Basically, you say anything in your language, and if the other client is interested in something that you have to say, he does not have to translate. He's going to receive in his language, and this is pretty much pretty nice because as again, we have players all around the world. I like to make games this way. I don't like to restrict to only one country. And then if you are using in any language, you are going to receive the message that the other player said. If he says in their language, like Spanish, and you are playing your client to set up in English, you are going to receive the message in English, and vice versa. Alright, so that's it. I hope you like this video. Suggestions to the games, to the new servers, anyways, put down the comment below that I'm going to be reading and interacting, okay? And I see you next time.